welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair. You know I'm always working with them. Love them. You guys know this already. But today's video will be on a closure wig, so I'm gonna show you guys the wig that they sent to me, and this is the package that they always send to me. So if you're supposed to order hair from Luvmehair, you will get these goodies. They sent me a Luvmehair scarf that you can use to tie your baby hair down, some bobby pins, tweezers, baby hair combs, this headband that you could put in the back of your wig, but I think one is in the back of the wig, so I don't need it. And a Luvmehair like clips so you could accessorize your hair. So I am doing a closure wig today. It is HD lace. As you can see, it's really thin, and you know this is a real HD lace when it has like the jaggedy edges. I always tell my client, once your wig, like the lace has the jaggedy edges, it's, you know, it's like HD lace. But yeah, it is a closure wig. This is how the inside of the wig is looking. It comes with a band to help support your wig so it stays in place. It comes with combs, 4 combs, 1 at the back, 3 in, 1 in the middle, and 2 on the sides. I don't remember the length of this. I think it's either a 20 inch or 22 inches, but I will be putting it down in the description box, so no worries, you guys will definitely be able to check that out. But yeah, today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to do a side part with this closure wig. Normally people don't like doing side parts with closure wig just because it's a closure, so it's normally like in the middle, but today I'm attempting to keep it in the middle but still do makeup on my hand. But yeah, I'm going to attempt to keep it in the middle but still do a side part, if you get what I'm saying. I did go ahead and I bleached the hair and plucked it a little bit, so this is how it is looking. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now, I am going to put my stocking cap on. I don't think I'm going to be putting on my stocking cap. I'm just going to put it on and like put my edges away. Okay guys, so one of the key elements in making your closure wig look more like a frontal is making sure that thick white part of the lace, you have to cut it off, because regardless of how much glue or how thin the lace is, because that part is thick, it's almost doubled. I think it is doubled actually. It will show white and it will show that the lace is there. We all know it's a lace, but we don't want it to show as if the lace is there. So making sure to cut off the white parts is key to making your install looks like, you know, it's your hair. And look at how thin this lace is. Do you guys see? Like, if I'm not holding on to it, then you guys really will not know. Like, if I didn't pull it, then you guys would know that, yeah, the lace is there. It's very thin. Luvmehair always, they have good lace, no lie. So for this install, I will be using my Got To Be glue and the spray together because it does give it a strong hold. I used it and I had to take this off and then do a next wig at the same time, and it was just like, yeah, it was on. So if you want a stronger hold, just mix both and put a thin layer of the gel, just as though you put a thin layer of the glue, then put a thin layer of the Got To Be spray, kind of spread it out over the gel, blow dry a little bit, make it dry, and when it gets tacky, then that's when you put your hair down. It actually works, and it's good for those who want to protect their edges and they don't want to put like the glue you know, on their head edges, it's good to use got to be, or any other, I guess, hold that gives you a strong hold. Yeah, but I've been using the got to be. I haven't used anything else. If I do find something else, then I'll probably use it, but for now the got to be works for me still. So yeah. So hey you guys, I just wanted to quickly come on here and tell you guys about a flash sale that Luvmehair is doing. They are doing a flash sale. It begins November, so it's already happening right now as we speak, or as I speak. It will last for 2 weeks. It might be more, but for now it will last for 2 weeks. You will get wigs as low as $49.99. They are on selected wigs. They're at the lowest price that they have ever done, and of course at good quality. Also, the price is as marked, no code needed. Make sure that you guys check the link in the description box if you guys want to shop their flash sale. Everything will be in the description box, so do not miss out on these sale, because you know Luvmehair has like good quality stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm always bragging on them because they have good quality hair. Okay, so do not miss out on the sale. look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would like to thank Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. The links to the hair will be in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. But guys, period, this is a closure wig. Okay, this is a closure wig. I had to make this part a little bit more fluffy as opposed to this side, because I have the hair that is hiding like the tracks or anything over this side. This side I just put a lot of baby hairs because then it will more cover the track that is right here. But apart from that, I love this wig. You really can finesse 4x4 if you want to. This is a 4x4 by the way, and I finessed it into a side part. Normally people just stick to middle part because it's a closure wig, but like you're able to do something with it, especially if you have like a lot of baby hairs and you have a lot of baby hairs and like sideburns and all that, because you know some persons they have like long sideburns, so they don't like putting on like the frontal where you have to glue everything. They would rather just do like the front part alone, but then they feel like they can't do a side part, you know. So yes you can, yes you can. Like I literally finesse this. Like, do y'all see that? Finesse. Okay, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. And also can you talk about the fact that I did not use any glue for this install? And baby purr. Okay, but thank you guys for watching, and definitely see you guys in my next one.